Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel where I share real life experiences of living with autism, spectrum disorder, and ADHD. From everyday challenges, I'm here to break the stigma, build understanding, and connect with others on this journey. Hi everyone! I'm Robbie again, and today we're gonna talk about autism while I'm driving. So let's go now.
A few moments later.
I told you guys that I'm gonna tell my story while I'm driving, but the problem is no matter how much I try na mag-multitask nga pala because I have ADHD, kaya gusto kong maging productive, hindi pala pwede. I can't drive and mag-isip ng sasabihin. Take 2. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel! So today, I'm gonna take you sa work ko because I'm gonna share you guys my journey as a working mom, a neurodivergent mom to a neurodivergent child. So, also, I'm gonna share you my struggle as a working adult and also a mom. So, let's go guys! Samahan niyo ako mag-drive! Today, I want to share something very personal. My journey as a working adult with autism and ADHD. And also as a neurodivergent mom to a neurodivergent child. Sobrang vulnerable nitong topic na to, pero I know I'm not alone. Maybe my story can help someone out there feel a little less alone too. Sabi ng doktor ko, hindi talaga madali sa aming mga may autism at ADHD ang multitasking. Madali kaming ma-overwhelm, lalo na kapag sabay-sabay ang kailangan naming gawin. Kaya simula nung naging nanay ako, nagsimula na rin ang struggle ko sa pagbabalanse ng pagiging isang employee at pagiging isang mom. Hindi ko agad na-realize na ganun pala kahirap ito para sa akin until naging araw-araw na siyang challenge. Before ako naging parent, I was actually doing really well sa career ko. Nakaka-receive ako ng maraming awards at recognitions. And that's because of one thing, hyperfocus. Yes, dahil may ADHD ako. I could hyper-focus on work to the point na sobrang productive ko. Pero syempre, may catch. Hindi ibig sabihin nun, madali lahat. I struggle a lot din. Kahit nung single pa ako, isa talaga sa biggest struggles ko ay yung mga admin tasks. Alam mo yung isang task na supposedly madali lang, pero sa akin, inaabot ng buong araw. Kasi hirap akong mag-focus. Ang dami kong distractions, biglang mapapascroll ako sa phone, o may biglang isisingit na ibang task. Tapos, di na natatapos yung una kong ginagawa. Ang nakatulong sa akin, checklist. Sobrang laking tulong ng may listahan ako. Every time na may natatapos akong task, nilalagyan ko ng check. At kahit maliit na bagay lang yon, malaking achievement na sa akin yon. Eventually, binigyan ako ng gamot for ADHD to help me with focus and memory. Isa kasi sa struggles ng may ADHD ay pagiging kakalimutan. As in, literal na kalimutan ko ang ID ko, susi ko, or any gamit ko at kabisado na ako ng mga kapitbahay ko. Kaya bago ako umalis, lagi akong tinatanong nila, baka may nakalimutan ako. Kaya yung gamot, malaking tulong talaga. Hindi perfect, pero at least may improvement. Now, here's the part that closest to my heart. Being a mom to a child na may autism and ADHD din. Before ako ma-diagnose, ang dami kong meltdowns. Lalo na kapag sobrang iyak ng anak ko. Or kapag hindi siya natutulog, natitrigger ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong uunahin. Trabaho ba? Anak ko? O sarili ko? Pero since na-diagnose ako at natutunan ko yung mga needs at patterns ko, mas naintindihan ko na rin yung mga frustration ng anak ko. Kasi in a way, pareho kami ng pinagdadaanan. I understand her sensory overloads, her need for routine, her shutdowns, and I think that makes me a more empathetic mom. So if you're like me, a neurodivergent working parent, please know this. You're not lazy, you're not weak. You're just wired differently. And being wired differently means you also need different kinds of support. Celebrate your small wins, use the tools that help you, and don't be ashamed to ask for help or to take meds if you need. We are doing our best, and that is enough. Thank you for listening to my story. If you relate in any part of this, comment below, let's connect, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest stories like this. Take care and be kind to your neurodivergent self.
I'm sure you got some things you like to change about yourself, but when it comes to me, I wouldn't wanna be anybody else. Na 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 na.